I want to make a website with 10k visits per month. So my idea for this is to make this kind of website that do PDF to PNG, to JPEG and this kind of stuff. So to do this, we're going to use anti-gravity, and the key difference between our website and other will be that mine don't use any frameworks. It's just going to use HTML, JS and CSS, a little bit of Tailwind to make it easier, and also it will not require any account. There will be no ads, no paywalls, no this kind of weird stuff, and it will implement a dark and light switch because I don't know why most websites don't add. And the first tool I'm gonna do is a client-side image converter, because all the image converters, I don't know why, are server-side, which means you have to upload the thing and then get it back, and it takes time. It takes processing power for like no reason. Why not doing it client-side? I also asked him to make the landing page, but we don't care. Let's launch it. So the neat thing with anti-gravity is while he's doing his own thing, we can go and create a new conversation. Okay, it seems he has made a plan. We're gonna open it to find out what he proposed. To be fair, I'm not really gonna read all of this. I do, but I don't really care. We're gonna proceed. And while he's doing his own thing, we're gonna ask him to create the second tool, which will be a YouTube image thumbnail previewer, because some exist, but they are not that great. So we're gonna ask him to create it. Okay, while it's doing this thing, we're gonna ask him to create the new tool. It will be a word counter, but with very advanced things I've looked around and wanted to implement. There is even some stuff that I never saw in any word counter, but I will see if he managed to do it. So we're gonna ask him to do it. Okay, it seems that the two first ones are done, so we're gonna check it out. So we get a nice detailed report, but we want to check out the website. So I opened it in Chrome, and it's pretty damn pretty. Let's see if we have animations. Yeah, we have a little bit of animations. We have the toggle, which is even cute, and we have the different tools, what we implemented, so zero ads, fast, more privacy, yeah, because it's client-side. Open source, yeah, I'm gonna publish all the files in an open source project if you want to check it out. Works everywhere, no sign up, yes, no sign up. Yeah, because the name of the app will be without account, because most of the tools require you to create an account, even though the tool is free. And you often just want to use one tool one time. You don't want to take the time to create an account for this. So yeah, we're gonna check out the tools we made. So image converter. I'm gonna not show you my image. So I selected an image. I'm not gonna and we can select the different formats with compression ratio. So this is a JPEG. So we're gonna first test out PNG and download. Okay, so I have issues, but I think it's because of my okay, so it has converted. We can click on download, and as you can see, we get the fish in PNG. Perfect. Let's try other formats. You can change the quality, convert, and as you can see, it's instant because it's client side. And I don't know why the other website don't do this. Like, what? Why? So we can open it up. Nice, it works. And now GIF. Does it works? GIF is bigger. But does it work? Maybe photo. Yeah, it works. Perfect. First tool, it works. First try. Let's see if we have other tools. Okay, so it didn't implement the other tools. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, for the word counter, I forgot to add the topic in the implementation list, so we're gonna ask him to do so. Okay, I've been told that the YouTube thumbnail previewer has been done, so we're gonna check it out. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. No. Yeah, it's even pretty. Like, come on. We're gonna try, for example, with our previously made image. Fishy went to fishing. I don't know why. Fish is the best channel. And we got it. That's perfect. Okay, from this point, all the tools I'm gonna do it in background, so you don't have to watch everything. Okay, so here it is. I made a lot of different tools. As you can see, there is quite wide, and they are all working. So there is, for example, the Markdown editor. You can put images, links, whatever. There is the image converter, which so video converter. You can put a lot of different things. Okay, it's not working. It was working before. What if I take this? Okay, I'm gonna correct this. There's the video editor. We can add some videos. We have multiple tracks, and we can add text on top if we want. As you can see, up. We can export it. There is the word counter. You can type stuff. We have estimates of time, statistics, keywords density. Similar keywords, it's if the words are kind of the same, they will merge them together. And topics, there is 10 topics, and he tries to find what it's about. There is the image editor. We can select any image. Okay, it seems to not work right. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, we can maybe zoom in. Okay, I don't know what's happening. We can draw, change the size. We can erase. We have different layers. Oh no, it's to fill the entire image. We can put text. We can put images if we want to. There is also shapes and some parameters if we want to. We can see a little bit easier like this. So I'm just gonna select, yeah. And there is the audio effect. We can record or bring any audio. I'm gonna try blah blah blah. Bonjour, hello, my name is Marine. And we can preview it, blah blah blah, and change the different effects. For robotic, blah blah blah. And we can download. Everything is in browser, so it's pretty neat. This is my favorite one. It's to convert colors, so you can pick out any colors. Let's put this one, and you have a bunch of things you can do. You can make it more white, more shades. You can lighten it, make it more darker, more saturate, desaturate, invert the color, find complementary, like the harmonies. We have accessibility, so should we put white text or black text? And for which format? We have a bunch of formats, some info. So it's pretty complete. We have also the QR code. We can do toto.com. We can even change the color as we want. We can change the size, the correction. We can download it. And we have the scanner. We can use the camera. We can also just pick any Any QR code? Okay. This one? Yeah. So as you can see, we can copy or open. There is a bunch of things we can do. There is also the PDF. We can put any PDF, and we can draw. We can add images. We can move them. Rotate, scale. Can put shapes. Can fill them. Change colors if we want to. Can put text. We can do pretty much anything. We can go back. I think this is the different layers. You can erase them. You can also just do like this. We can download. We can change pages, and we have keyboard shortcuts for all of them. So I don't know if we see them. Okay, we don't see them, but I'm pretty sure we have like T for text, B for drawing. You get it. So yeah, now we're gonna put it online, because right now it's on local, but we want everyone to be able to use it. Oh yeah, first things we're gonna do is to improve the SEO. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. My idea is to go to the Google website, and they have a page explaining how to optimize our website for indexing. And there is also this one. So I'm just gonna copy paste the different URLs to the AI and ask it to improve the SEO. I'm gonna change from fast to planning, and we're gonna launch it. Okay, so now I have finished the tool, so I'm gonna go to tldlist.com to find out a good domain name. So I find that withoutaccount.com is available on Spaceship, so I bought it, as you can see right here. I can go on it and go to manage the DNS, and I'm gonna point my domain to my server. Just gonna put the TTL at 1. And to know more information about what the viewers see and click on, I'm gonna implement Umami, which is an alternative to Google Analytics, but who doesn't require any cookies, and it is much more privacy focused. So it's way better. So in anti-gravity, I'm gonna publish it on GitHub, and I'm gonna make it public so that anyone can use it. So it's open source. I'm gonna click OK. It's gonna be published. Nice. And we're gonna use Firebase for the hosting. So we're gonna say Firebase deploy. Okay, I will try to remember the... Okay, so it's Firebase init hosting. I don't have Firebase. Maybe npm install -g Firebase. I'm gonna skip. Okay,